Whether you are with your baby or alone, you can practice this meditation. Just finding a way to be as comfortable as you can in your body. If you're holding your baby, begin to notice how they feel in your arms or against your body. Their warmth, weight, wiggliness, or fussing. Seeing it in these few moments, if you can allow yourself and your baby to be exactly as you are. Starting to feel whatever it is that is supporting you right now. Are you sitting down? Then feeling the pressure and weight of your own body on the chair, couch, or bed. If you are standing up, bringing all your attention down into the soles of your feet and feel the solid ground beneath you. Feeling this contact with solid things helps in letting your body know that it is held and safe, just like what your baby feels when you are holding them securely. All these solid things, the ground included, are always holding us, supporting us. And you can let yourself experience this as a real thing rather than just trying to have it as an idea. Now, letting yourself take a deep breath, filling yourself up as much as possible with the breath. And as you breathe out, letting yourself release any extra tension you may be holding in your jaw, your shoulders, your belly. And seeing if you can allow yourself to be at ease. Now letting your breath come back to its own natural rhythm. And see if you can just feel what it feels like to breathe. The breath comes in and the body expands. The breath flows out and the body releases. You may notice that your mind at any time might be full of stories about your life, or images of things from your past, or worries about your future. And this is actually not a problem. It's just the mind doing its job of thinking. But the moment that you realize your attention is no longer feeling your breath in your body, begin to guide your mind back to giving your full attention to this one breath. And now this one breath. Now let's give the mind something to do. Right now, as you breathe in, focusing all your attention on that one thing, in-breath by in-breath. And as you breathe in and are nourished by the breath, silently saying to yourself, "May I be safe." Taking it in as you inhale, "May I be safe." Now on this next inhale, silently whispering to yourself, "May I be happy." May I be happy. And on this next inhale, gently saying to yourself, "May I be healthy," taking it in as you breathe in. And on this inhale, giving yourself the wish and the nourishment of, may I live with ease and peace. Each in-breath, you take in what nourishes you, both the breath and the phrases in the mind. Let them in, letting yourself be touched by this care you are giving to yourself. Now let's take a moment to switch the attention, focusing all your attention now on your out-breath, imagining that your out-breath carries with it a wish for your baby, and saying silently to yourself but directed toward your baby as you exhale, may you be safe. And now, along with this out-breath, saying, may you be happy. And on this next exhale, saying, may you be healthy. And with this one, may you live with ease and peace. Letting your out-breath send these messages of care to your baby. Now focusing on the rhythm of this flow. As you inhale, breathing in, may I be safe. And as you exhale, may you be safe. Inhale, may I be happy. Exhaling, may you be happy. Inhaling, may I be healthy. Exhaling, may you be healthy. Inhaling, may I live with ease and peace. And exhaling, may you live with ease and peace. If the words themselves feel too clumsy, just breathing in and saying, care for me, and breathing out and saying, care for you. One for me, one for you. Letting you and your baby be rocked by this flow, this rhythm of in and out, this taking in care and giving out care, rocked like the gentle waves of the sea. Now, letting the phrases all go and just feeling your whole body again. Noticing what it feels like now to be in contact with whatever it is you are sitting or standing on. And when you're ready, you can return to the activities of your day, knowing that at any time, you can bring these phrases of well-wishing and kindness into your life, simply because you're always breathing. You're always taking in what you need and letting go and releasing with every breath. And the more you do this, the more your breath and these phrases of kindness will help to nourish and soothe you and your baby.